Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. It's a Sunday afternoon, and we're going to try something a little bit different. Gee, wouldn't you expect to? Yeah, okay. We're going to do another blowout. I know, but hear me out. I'm going to try and do something with the glow-in-the-dark paint and some darks, and we're going to see what we can do here. Let's see. Oh, I do have enough Liquitex Dioxazine Purple. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then we have the Folk Art Glow in the Dark mixed with Floetrol. I'd like to put in here some Arteza Payne's Gray and Amsterdam Oxide Black, or Black Oxide. We're just going to try and make it a real spooky dooky, maybe, kind of, sort of. I was going to do it with neon orange, but I don't have enough. So I'll have to make that up. Dang it. Okay, we're also going to put in here Deco Art Americana Neons Ultraviolet. That's mixed with 1 bloop of black from Artist Loft, 2 bloops of Artist Loft Neon Blue, and 1 teaspoon of 24K Gold. That's my own little concoction. So let's get these put out here. Not quite sure of what order to do them in. We're going to do it diagonally. And I feel like I've been kind of MIA with the blowouts lately. Oh. There we go. That's the Payne's Gray. And what we're going to do next. For the base down here, I have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white. Just a simple white. Huh, that came through odd. Alright, now we're going to use the Apple Barrel Bright Blue. Let's try some of that Liquitex Dioxazine Purple. I didn't use any purple in my last one, I don't think. Which is a shockaroo, isn't it? Alright. Now let's put that. Where is you? There you is. The Deco Art, my concoction. Let's just put it that way, my concoction. And now we're going to lay down some of the glow in the dark. Uh-oh, we ran into a boogie. Okay, there we go. May have bypassed it, I don't know. No, it's still there. Okay. Let me grab it here with the tweezers. Because if I don't, I'll forget. And next time I go to use it, I'll be like, what the fluff? So, alrighties. That should be enough. Alright, you got anything in your ears that magnify the sound? Take them out. This might be loud. Here we go, guys. looking. Got some neat cells popping up here and there. I was going to bring down the glow-in-the-dark glitter, and I didn't. And I may yet. So, right. Let's bring you all down for a close-up. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Here we go. Zoomy, zoomy. Oop. Doop, 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 doop. There's the chair. We have a corner, which is growing cells. Yay. There's blue cells in there. Okay. Just not real sure. I'll get to it here in a moment. Alright. There's some arsonist. Oh, goody. Awesomeness. I can't talk today, nor any other day. There's some of those little pearls popping up. Alrighties. That's working quite well together. I'm just not real thrilled with this blob in the center. Oh, but I don't want to touch anything else. Dang it. What to do, what to do. Do we go up and get the glitter? I think I will. Okay, guys. Hangy-holdy, I will be right back. Okay, we are back. And I chose the kind of a greenish blue. It looked more blue upstairs. Is it either that or the pink one? But they both glow in the dark. So, and they're from Temu. Alrighty. Just want to sprinkle it in these areas. Let's see how that happens. Okay. Maybe center. Oh, what the heck. Let's put a little bit everywhere. Just sprinkle, wrinkle. Alrighties. Put the rest in here. I'm not going to overdo this one. Hopefully. Try not to. Alrighty. Do you guys want to come down for a close-up on this? Or can you pretty much see what I did? Okay, I'll bring you down for a close-up. Alright. Okay. Chair again. Okay. Hopefully you can see where I distributed it. Yes, I think you can. Okay. So that will add a little extra oomph to it. Alrighty. So, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. And take care, and we will see you guys next time. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit the like if you think it deserves it. And, yes. Once you hit the subscribe, I'm out of it, guys. Okay, once you hit the subscribe, hit the bell, totally, for notifications. And so you'll know next time when I come on, or you'll be able to find the rest of my videos. So, you guys take care, and we will see you next time on Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye for now, guys.